Hello friends, what's up? This is your tech dude. Today I will explain the Bosch X50TI drill bit set. It is the 50. It is the Bosch company. It is available in Amazon. Its price was the 2,379 rupees. It is the I purchased 2,000 rupees in Amazon. It is the made in Germany, made in China also. It is this opening is very easy. Press and first and open this box gently. After opening, this is the inside of these bits. 50 bits are arranged in the proper way and proper socket, proper holder. This is very useful to carpenters and DIY project students and electricians and mechanical work, welding work peoples or professional peoples. Very useful. These bits are daily work. It is these bits are the mainly in titanium coated, and the long life bits are it is titanium nitride, which is the enhanced durability extended bits friction the backup. These bits, the mainly you lift this very easily, and it is available. These all three types of bits are there. First one is the concrete bit. The golden color is the metal bits, and the black color is the wood bits. It is first it is given the nearly 6 pieces of concrete bits are available. This concrete bits size is the 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 mm. This one, the 10 mm bit, how to remove gently in this the bit holder, and the way rotate in the left hand side, it is come outside, and rotate in right hand side, insert the bit in holder very easily. Use in gentle manner. This is how to identify it. It is the 45 degrees arrow both sides. The arrow mark is there. It is the arrow. It is the concrete bit and the wall bit and bricks also. You can use this bit multi-purpose. After that, these bits are available in this gold color bits are the metal bits, is the aluminum work and partition work and the welder working purpose. In the carpenters also it is using this metal drilling bits. It is available 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, 6, 6.5 is available. These bits. After that is the another side is the black 5 bits are available in this wood bits. It is the available on this. The remove gently this bit holder, and how to identify this very sharp pencil milk type pin is there. That is the wood drilling bit. It is the wood drilling bit. You can also drill this bit plastic also. This is the titanium coating bit. It is the life is the very durability during the drilling friction and heat buildup also reduce this work efficiency developing this bit. After insert this bit socket, this kit box also providing the measurement whole measurement scale also providing the whole measurement and bit size measurement purpose. This scale very useful to newcomers and beginners of this drilling bit usage. This kit also, it is very useful DIY projects and students also. It is homely used and professional used also. Very useful this scale. Put on this is the and insert this socket. After that, another side of this this 22 mm and 16 mm spready bits are there. That is the making a round hole to holding purpose. These two bits very useful to carpenter work. After that is this box is provided one Bosch made in standard craft knife. It is very useful to marking and cutting the plastic sheets, some point outs and markers type. It is very useful. After that is given the screwdriver bit. Different types of screwdriver bits are available. This is the very useful, this bits also. It is the given also picture this side. You can lift the gently that holder and use which number bit, which type of screws are using that particular device. You remove this, select the particular bit and to different types of bit, star and flat and LNK type bits and semi-star, semi. Yes, it is very useful. He is providing also picture of the screw head picture on this bit side. You can observe the screw head, what type of header is coming that, and observe this picture and match this picture and take the particular bit you can use. These bits are available in this. These bits are available in this. After that, you can use the particular screw identification. H5 old model, H56. This model you can kept in the particular holder. Insert again. It's very easily. Just press both sides of equal pressure. It is. The another side is providing another model screw, star and flat and plus and minus type screws. Bits are available. This bits. These bits also size also providing P2, P2, T5. This the adapter holder. The universal holder also there. Socket holder also there. First you take universal holder and then take the socket holder, then insert this. The one ball point is coming this and take the socket holder bits are 3 provided. Number 7, 8, 10. It is insert and press one. Locking sound is coming this. You can gently pull out and plug and play is very easy mode. This one. This is the insert, press and pull. This is a very easy method to insert this sockets. The holder stock bit, it is the without showing the screw. You can clean that particular holder. That is the screw after fixing. This very useful to carpenter and interior decorating workers. The main precautions you can take this all uses of these drill bits are the selected right bit, choose appropriate drill bit, and for the material you drilling into using the wrong bit can result in drilling potentially damage drill bit and the workspace also. Drilling speed. The maintain constant drilling speed in either too fast or not too slow. It is to ensure efficiency drilling, prevent overheating of the drill bit. It is use the metal drilling for consider cutting and lubricant reduce for the life to drill bit. Secure workpiece, ensure workpieces and securely clamped in the place of the prevent movement during the drilling. It is the inaccurate accidents. Share use tips and tricks. These drill bits are effectively selected in right bit and material maintenance, constant drilling speed and using lubricant for the metal drilling. Discuss. Use high quality